How did WW2 tank hull designs evolve? Have you ever wondered how tank designs changed during World War II? The evolution of tank hull designs was a fascinating journey shaped by combat experiences, technology, and production needs. At the start of the war, tank hulls were often sharply angled. This design aimed to maximize armor effectiveness by deflecting enemy fire. A prime example is the early American M4 Sherman tank, which had a welded steel hull featuring a 56-degree angled front plate. This steep angle increased the effective armor thickness without adding extra weight, which was vital for survivability on the battlefield. As the war continued, designers made adjustments. They reduced the hull front angle from 56 degrees to about 47 degrees. While this change slightly decreased armor protection due to the less steep slope, it allowed for more interior space. This extra room was a game changer for crew comfort and equipment storage. It addressed practical issues faced by tank crews during combat, making it a beneficial trade-off. Another significant change involved hull hatches. Designers introduced larger hatches to improve crew access and egress. These new hatches were positioned perpendicular to the hull, inspired by designs from other armored vehicles. This enhancement made operations smoother and safer for the crew, which is always a priority in combat situations. Suspension systems also played a role in hull design evolution. For instance, the Christie suspension system used in some tanks allowed for better weight distribution and a smoother ride over rough terrain. This system enabled track removal for faster highway travel. However, it was not widely adopted in all American tanks like the Sherman, which relied on a different suspension system that was less effective in muddy or rough conditions. Overall, the design of tank hulls during World War II shifted from a focus on maximum armor protection through steep angles to a more balanced approach. Designers aimed to combine protection with crew comfort, interior space, and operational practicality. These changes reflected lessons learned on the battlefield, highlighting the need for tanks that were not only survivable but also functional and efficient for their crews. This evolution mirrored broader trends in tank warfare, where mobility, firepower, and crew efficiency became just as important as armor thickness.